Hi YouTube, welcome to my channel. I'm Alice and I am an Earth Angel. I've been having mystical experience all my life, and I can assure you that we are mystical beings and we are meant to connect with spirit. And there is a reason if around the world the first civilizations that we find, they were evolving around spirituality, and the reason is because we are spiritual beings. We are meant to communicate with spirit, we are meant to have mystical experience, we are meant to download information from source, and we are manifestation of source, we are manifestation of the divine. Now of course the society did not want you to figure out that you were a magician and you are a mystical being and you are connected with source and you are the expression of source. So they decide to raise us like little robots with misinformation, wrong beliefs, disempowering techniques, and not only. They also made an agreement with dark forces, because when you convince a divine creature that is not divine, you start to vibrate on a really low vibration, and you start to get easily attacked by demons. And when you vibrate so low, it's really difficult for a divine being to take back his power. As a divine being, we create what we believe. So the society made sure that we believed wrong things in order to manifest wrong things. Now in my channel I'm gonna show you what are those brainwash techniques. I will show you some demons that you might have and you need to exorcise them. And we're gonna talk about this idea of source that we have, this idea of God that we have. Sometimes we don't take in consideration that God and the devil has a role in our life in order for us to evolve. So society as well and spirituality gave us some misinformation also about good and bad. We cannot separate them, and you need to make sure that demons becomes your best friends, not your enemy, because demon and dark side of life is there for a reason, is there to make you grow, is there to make you stronger, is there for you to use the demon and not get controlled by them. I hope you enjoy and see you soon.